Hello friend, in today's video I want to show you how to check if your computer or PC or laptop meet the requirement for Windows 11 upgrade. So don't get away, let's get started now. So first thing first, to do so you need to download the PC Health Check application from Microsoft website. I'm gonna put the link below so don't get lost. So go to the website, have time to check around, scroll down to see until the end. You see where to download the application, which is going to help you to see the compatibility of your laptop or PC for any upgrade. Yeah, go to the official Microsoft website, scroll down until the end. You see the option to download the actual PC Health Check application. So take your time, scroll down, read whatever you're gonna read there to really help you out, because there's a lot of information for the upgrade and for Windows 11, which is really a good stuff to do. So you check for compatibility, and then you got the option to download the PC Health Check application. So in my case, I already downloaded, so you'll see what happened. So once you're done, run it. It's gonna take a few minutes. It won't take more than 10 minutes, to be honest with you. Tick all the necessary box, go to next. Yeah, the installation is gonna carry on for a few more minutes or seconds, depending on the power of your PC. Then make sure everything is clear, then finish. So once you click finish, you take again few more minutes to have the pop-up for the dashboard to appear. On the dashboard, you got the option to rename your PC, to check everything about your PC, and then the final one is gonna be to click on check the box. You're gonna check it now to tell you exactly if your PC is compatible or not for the upgrade of Windows 11 from Windows 10. Bingo, the result is there. This PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. Sorry. That's the case of most of the Windows 2010. On my next video, I'm going to show you how to overcome this issue and fix the problem. But till then, thank you very much for watching my video, and see you very soon.